Making a sling. Make a sling to keep an injured arm from moving. A sling can reduce pain and the chance of further complications. You can use a sling whether or not the arm is splintered. You can add a swathe to immobilize a shoulder dislocation. This video will show 4 ways to make a sling and how to make a swathe. A sling can be made from a piece of cloth about 1 meter square. Fold it into a triangle. Hold the point of the triangle in one hand. Place it behind the injured arm with the body of the sling over the torso. The top end of the triangle is draped over the shoulder. The bottom end is brought over the injured arm and draped over the other shoulder. The 2 points are tied behind the neck. Tuck in the extra fabric at the elbow and adjust the sling so the arm rests comfortably. The elbow should be in the corner of the sling. The hand should be higher than the elbow. The palm is facing inward. The elbow should be bent. The wrist should be within the sling. A sling can also be made from a long-sleeved shirt. Tie the arms at the back of the neck. The body of the shirt forms the sling. Or use a shawl. A temporary sling can be made of a gauze strip. However, this type of sling doesn't support the injured arm well. A sling supports the weight of the arm and limits arm movement, but does not prevent movement of the shoulder. If the shoulder is dislocated, add a swathe to also restrict shoulder motion. This can be made from a stretchy wrap or wide band of cloth. Start at the hand. The patient can hold the end. Wrap the swathe under the uninjured arm and around the trunk, securing the injured arm to the body. Remember, a sling can be easily made from cloth or clothing to immobilize a fracture. Add a swathe for a shoulder dislocation.